welcome to the second part of Crochet Fox tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet legs of my fox, and first start with magic ring and black yarn and start the first round with 6 single crochet in magic ring. Now we are making the upper leg, and I made chain 1 and then 5 single crochet in magic ring because I count the chain as single crochet. Okay, tighten the magic ring, and now I have to join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch, not in chain. In next round we have to increase every stitch all the way around. So make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. At the end of the round you should have 12 stitches. In the third round we are going to increase again, but not too much. We are going to increase the first stitch, so make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. This is 1 single crochet and this is 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. And here increase again, so you have to make 2 single crochets in the same stitch and then make 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. So in this round we have increased twice, so at the end of this round you should have 14 stitches. Okay, I am at the end of the round, and in the next 4 rounds you will make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So make 4 rounds without chains, without increase, without decrease. Okay, now we have to decrease. So decrease on the beginning of the round. I'm using always just front loops. It's invisible decrease. Okay, in the next 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet. Now decrease again. So in this round, we have decreased twice. In next 5 stitches, make 1 single crochet. At the end of this round, you should have 12 stitches. Okay, now it's time for orange color of yarn, and make just 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around and make 10 rounds in total, so 10 rounds without chains. Okay, fill the arm with hollow fiber, but just in the black part of arm. And now we are going to decrease again, and I'm going to decrease by decrease and decrease 6 times in this last round. So at the end of this round, of this last round, you should have 6 stitches. Okay, you can cut the yarn, and now we are going to close the hole with yarn needle, or you can use a crochet hook if you want, but use only front loop. And follow me, just sew it like this. I'm using just front loop. And tighten the hole with this way because it's more invisible. And that's it. Then you have to hide the tail inside the arm, and that's all. And this is how it looks like. Now let's make the lower legs. So start with the magic ring, start with black yarn, the same size of crochet hook, it's 4mm crochet hook for chenille yarn. And start the first round with 7 single crochets in magic ring. Tighten, and now I have to join the round with a slip stitch. So I'm going to make a slip stitch in the first stitch, count it from the right side, it's 6th stitch. In the second round, you have to increase every stitch. Make 2 single crochets in every stitch all the way around. At the end of the round, you should have 14 stitches. And mark the beginning of the round. You can use stitch marker, or you can use the tail, starting tail as me. In next round, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, and in this round we are going to increase every second stitch. So make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, this is 1, and 2 single crochets in the same space. In next stitch make 1 single crochet. And then increase again. So increase every second stitch all the way around. At the end of the round, you need to have 21 stitches. Okay, in next round we will not increase, we will not decrease, but there will be little change. So in next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet. So this is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets and 3 double crochets. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. And this section you have to repeat 2 more times, so you will make in this round, this section, 3 double crochets and 1 single crochet 3 times in total. Okay, I did it 3 times and now we have 9 stitches left, so make 1 single crochet in next 9 stitches. In previous round you should have 21 stitches at the end of the round, and now we are going to make 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches. This is 1, this is 2 and 3 single crochets. In next stitch make slip stitch, and this section you will repeat 2 more times, so in total you have to make it 3 times. And you have 9 stitches left again, so make 1 single crochet in next 9 stitches. At the end of the round you should have again 21 stitches. Okay, in next round we have to decrease, so decrease on the beginning. And in next stitch make 1 single crochet, and this section you have to repeat 3 more times. Now you have 9 stitches left again, so make 1 single crochet in the next 9 stitches. At the end of this round you should have 17 stitches. Okay, in next round we have to decrease 4 times, so decrease by decrease. And in next 9 stitches make 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round you should have 13 stitches. Okay, I am at the end of the round and this is how it looks like. You can fill the pole with hollow fiber already now, and in the next 2 rounds make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So make 2 rounds of single crochets, and at the end of the round you should have 13 stitches. Okay, now it's time for orange color. So change the color if you want with the same way as me, or you can use invisible color change, it's up to you. And make 5 rounds of single crochets. So make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around and make 5 rounds in total. At the end of the round, you should have 13 stitches. Okay, now we have to increase little. So increase the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch, and we will increase twice in this round. So this is first increase, then make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. Okay, and now increase again. So in this stitch, make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and you have 5 stitches left. So make 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. At the end of this round, you should have 15 stitches. In the next round, we are going to increase again, and we are going to increase 3 times. So increase the first stitch, make 2 single crochets in the first stitch. In the next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, and this section will be repeated 2 more times. So increase 4 single crochets, increase 4 single crochets. At the end of the previous round, you should have 18 stitches, and now make 2 rounds of single crochets. So you should make 18 single crochets in 2 rounds. Now it's time for decrease. So decrease on the beginning, and we are going to decrease exactly the same as we increased in 16 row. So you should fill the leg with hollow fiber, and now decrease. In next 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet. In this section, you will repeat 2 more times. So decrease and 4 single crochets, decrease and 4 single crochets. At the end of the previous round, you should have 15 stitches. Now use hollow fiber if you need it, and we are going to decrease 7 times in this round. At the end of the round, you should have 8 stitches left. Okay, and close the hole with the same way as before. So use yarn needle or crochet hook and just tighten it, and use just front loop. And that's all for today. I hope you like it, and thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.